Hello friends, we know it very well. Normally, the visual conditions are best for the memory. We see that normally as we always remember the movie and why it is. If anyone tell you the story, then it will not with you long time. But if we see the movie, if we watch the movie, then it create the space in our mind for the very long time. Reason is only the visualization. Similarly, the for the set concepts means we have a different working to solve the questions. That is a Venn diagram. So see what is a Venn diagram. See Venn diagram. So what is this one? In the Venn diagram, normally we take the two types of figure. The first is this rectangle, this one, and the second circles. Inside this rectangle, we draw these some circles. These circles shows the sets, and this rectangle portion use for the universal set. Is it clear? So now see, first of all we see the sum concept, the basic concept which we use normally to find the answers. Union. See union. Union of two sets. Two or three sets maybe also. What is the union? We draw this rectangle, and suppose two sets we have A and B. So this is set A and this is set B, and we denote the concept by the shade. We denote the concept by the shade, as A union B means the all elements which is coming A and B. So it's mean this is the whole portion. We will give the shade here. Clear now? So this condition represent A union B. Clear now? Intersection. Next. Suppose again A and B, two sets we have. So now draw a rectangle as this one. This A and this B. So what we do in the intersection, we take the common portion always. So what is the common in this figure? This portion is common only. This is coming in A also and B. So that's why it is A intersection of B. Now clear what is the A intersection B? And now see how will we represent disjoint set. So now this is C. This is disjoint set. It is again we have two sets A and B. So now this one. This is set A and this is set B, set A and set B. Clear now? So since nothing in these two sets, so that's why this will leave as it is. There is no need to give the shade. It is clear. So A and B. It is clear. A and B, which are the disjoint sets. Clear now? See the difference of set. Now it is difference of two sets see this one. Suppose this is set A and this is set B. So for the difference means A minus B, what is, since B is subtracting to A, so it's mean the left element of A will represent here. So we will show this one as this. It is clear? And if B minus A, then the part of B will left here only. Now clear? The one more condition, complement of set. Now see what is the complement of set. It is complement of set. What is here? See what we do. We take a universal, this one always, yes or no? And now this is the set. So in the complement of set, suppose A is there, so its complement is AC. So this is AC. We are finding AC. Complement of set means we subtract the set A from this universal. So the left element of universal will come here. So we will shade the left portion of the rectangle except this circle. It is clear now. So now by these conditions we represent the sets in the Venn diagram. We represent the condition in the Venn diagram. So now see all these conditions and do the questions according to this one. See the examples from your book and try to solve the questions. If any confusion comes, then post your problems in the message box, then definitely I will solve that one. And subscribe this channel. If you are watching this channel first time, then please subscribe with the bell icon also. As I upload the videos, it will automatically reach to you, and your study will become more and more easy. Thank you.